Fox 10 Arizona Morning with Ron Hoon, Rick D'Amico, Alexis Del Chiaro, and Corey McCloskey. Coming up.
Andrea is showing us an unusual way to turn back the hands of time.
I think that was a song by Tyrone Davis. Turn back the hands of time. Back in 19-something.
Just let her talk.
Never mind. Go ahead.
All right. Thanks for that, Rick. Hey, good morning, guys. Yeah, you know, fine lines and wrinkles, it's just part of the aging process. Don't you wish they could just disappear? Well, they can without surgery, without fillers. Acupuncture may be the answer, and we are checking it out coming up.
That looks comfy.
This morning, we're seeing how acupuncture is used to erase fine lines. Andrea is live to show us an acupuncture on your face. How's that work?
Yes. Well, it's actually relatively simple, Alexis. We're out here in Scottsdale at the Edge on Wellness, a brand new spot out here off 92nd Street in Shea, and they pretty much do everything here. A fusion of health and beauty, everything from spa treatments to this, acupuncture on your face. It's called facial rejuvenation. We've got a patient here this morning, Stephanie, who's in the process of having the treatment done. And Dr. Christy Cline, you're a naturopathic physician, and you say this works.
Yes, this does work. It's a natural alternative to reducing the signs of aging. And what we do is we place the needles in the face on the acupuncture points. And it's going to reduce signs of aging, sagging, wrinkles, puffiness, grayness, things like that.
So how does putting needles in the face, I mean, how does that make it disappear?
Well, the way it works is the acupuncture needle is causing some stimulation of some qi, is what we call energy, is qi in Chinese medicine, and blood flow. And that blood flow is going to bring nutrients and healing properties to the area. And by doing that, it's going to cause the muscles to become strengthened, and the vitality and the energy is going to go to the face, bringing out the beauty and bringing out the vibrance.
And pretty much the process is simple. They come in for an initial consultation with you. You do a complete assessment of their body and their health and everything. And then show us how you start. You've already cleaned the area, and show us how you insert one of the needles in.
Okay, well, they're individually packaged needles, so it's a sterile technique, and I've already alcohol swabbed her area. And I'm going to come here and I'm finding an acupuncture point below the cheekbone here because I want to enhance her cheekbones. And then we just come down here and we just press it right in there.
Okay, I have to ask Stephanie, how does that feel?
I barely felt it.
Are they thin enough so you really just don't even feel anything?
Mm-hmm.
Is it pretty comfortable?
Yeah, actually very relaxing.
Okay. Well, you look relaxed.
It's a very relaxing technique. Many women fall asleep when they're on the table, actually.
Now, why would somebody opt for this versus all these fillers out on the market, Botox, of course, and, of course, a facelift?
Well, I think a lot of people are looking for natural alternatives, and they don't want to go under the knife right away. For example, plastic surgery is scary, and you're not sure what the results are going to be. And this is a natural alternative. It's safe, no major side effects other than maybe some minor redness to the area after the treatment, but that will go away.
All right. Well, Dr. Christy Cline, thank you. And Stephanie, thank you very much. So, Alexis, they say they recommend about 12 treatments, and they run around $150 a treatment. So much less than, say, a facelift.
Yeah.
And Dr. Cline does say, you know, if you start something like this early on when you just have very fine lines, it makes it obviously more noticeable. And Stephanie said she's already noticed differences, you know, right around her cheek area.
Yeah.
So something to check out, especially everyone's trying to live a more natural lifestyle.
Well, she looked peaceful sitting there, but I still think it would be a little bit painful.
Well, you know what? I did this one time for one of our live shots, remember? And it really wasn't that bad. You feel a tiny little prick, but it's not uncomfortable. I mean, it's nothing like, you know, getting a shot or any of that.
Okay. Something
Check
new.
it out. We've got all the information on our website.
Okay, thanks a bunch, Andrea. Hey, Rick.